Storm damage, roof leaking. When your roof starts leaking, every second counts. Fast 24/7 response, licensed and insured. Our roofing experts are available day or night repairing storm, leak, or wind damage fast. Reliable, affordable, professional. Call RoofZen Pro now for 24-hour emergency roof repair. Your home's protection starts here. Live in comfort and security, knowing your roof is in good hands. Rain or shine, our commitment to you remains the same. Your satisfaction is our top priority, ensuring not just repairs, but peace of mind. Join the thousands of satisfied clients who have made RoofZen Pro their trusted partner.